How to create AT&T account online. If for a better view or a wider options that you can choose, what I can recommend you to do is just to use your laptop or PC by registering an account with AT&T online. So you simply pull up any preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So just head directly to att.com, and this is going to be your AT&T's homepage. Now, take note that if you would like to create an account with AT&T, you also have to make sure that you are a user of AT&T. Now, once you have such SIM cards or any plans that you are coordinated with AT&T, so you can now create an account. Now, just have to hover your mouse around account portion, click on it, and then go to Registers tab. Now once you click on Register tab, you will be able to redirect it here. Now click on Don't Have a User ID and then click on Create One Now, and you will be redirected to a registration page. Now just fill out all necessary information such as your name, your general information, as well as your account number from AT&T. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can create an account with AT&T online.